Hello children, now we are going to study about pollination in flower. What is the need of pollination? What is pollination? Pollination is the first step of reproduction. Then what is its need? Because in sexual reproduction there is fusion of male and female gamete. We know that, we have studied it, isn't it? But how fusion can occur when both of the gametes are present at different places in a flower? Isn't it? For fusion or to join with each other, they need to be together. And how they will come together? By movement, isn't it? This movement is actually pollination. Movement of what? That is transfer of. Okay, movement means transfer. Same thing, one and the same thing. So transfer of pollen grains. Why pollen grains? Because pollen grains contain the male gamete. From where? Where pollen grains are present? They are present in the anther. So from anther, pollen grains are transferred to where? Where female gametes are present. Female gametes are present in the ovules, inside the ovary. Okay. And therefore it has to reach to the stigma, which is a part of carpel. So the transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of the flower is termed as pollination. This is the definition of pollination. Now you understand what is pollination? There are two different types of pollination. Okay. One is self-pollination and another is cross-pollination. Self-pollination is also called as autogamy. Cross-pollination is also called as allogamy. Now in self-pollination what occurs? Pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or to the stigma of another flower on the same plant. Okay. In this case, same flower, either in the same flower or another flower on the same plant. These two terms are very important to remember in self-pollination. Okay. Why it is called autogamy? Because autos means self and the word gamos means marriage. Okay. So examples of self-pollinating plants where self-pollination occurs are pea, wheat and rice. Next is cross-pollination. In cross-pollination, pollen grains are transferred from the anther of a flower to the stigma of a different plant, flower which is present on another plant. Okay. And this different plant should be but of the same species. An apple plant, that is the pollen grain from the anther of one apple plant has to be transferred to the stigma of the flower which is present on another plant. But that another plant should be of apple itself, not of the mango. Otherwise, fertilization will not occur. Isn't it? Of the same species it should be. So, what is cross-pollination? Transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower on different plant. Understood? And cross-pollination is also called allogamy. Some of the plants where cross-pollination occur are apple, mango, sugarcane. Okay. You can find many more names. So this is all about the types of pollination. Study well, stay safe, have a good day. Further we will study tomorrow.